Nanotechnology is a groundbreaking field that explores the manipulation and control of matter at the nanoscale, typically dealing with structures sized between 1 and 100 nanometers. Despite its tiny scale, nanotechnology has the potential for big impacts across various industries and scientific disciplines. In medicine, nanotechnology offers targeted drug delivery systems, enabling more effective and precise treatments with fewer side effects. Additionally, nano-sized particles and materials are used in medical imaging, diagnostics, and even regenerative medicine applications. In electronics, nanotechnology has led to smaller and more powerful devices, pushing the boundaries of computing power and revolutionizing data storage. The energy sector benefits from nanotechnology's ability to improve solar cells' efficiency, develop high-capacity batteries, and enhance energy conservation through lightweight and durable materials. Environmental applications include water purification, air filtration, and pollution remediation, addressing pressing global challenges. However, the rapid growth of nanotechnology also raises concerns about potential risks to human health and the environment, necessitating careful evaluation and regulation as we harness this tiny revolution's enormous potential for the betterment of society.